Hello traders, Dan here. Let's take a look at the markets for March 28 and the new trades recommended. So spiders here, we said in the weekend video that we still have a bullish bias in the broader markets here, but that we've run so much from this bullish turn. Just look at this, slicing through resistance on all kinds of negative news, from war to inflation to inverted yield curve, et cetera, and the bulls are just still in control here. We said that the target would be somewhere here in the gap, gap fill in these prior highs. And look at this, into the close. It was kind of a whippy intraday. Started with a small gap down, took out the highs, a 180 reversal, an M top, deep retracement, and then I don't know what happened here. This was 1230. Look at that, just straight up into the close, closing at the high. I don't know, the bulls are still just partying here. Diamonds, I mentioned in the video, I like spiders and Qs the best. And the target on this one would be the 200. We're getting there. And so we gave a number of bullish and bearish trade ideas, and we're willing to trade long. Hopefully, if we get a little short-term blow-off, that'll get our market internals and bearish extremes. But I didn't like IWM right here because it had a deep retracement, took out this pivot high, which is good. So it could possibly play catch-up. We have a W bottom and a 1, 2, 3 on the weekly. And but diamonds I like the least. Deep retracement, but that's just a big mess there in the 200. So it was spiders and diamonds that I like. In the weekly options trader, let's look at the new trades today. Coin we found with the strength in Bitcoin. I scanned all of my Bitcoin equities and ETFs, and this was a gap over a red bar, bottoming pattern, deep retracement again. So we sold a really nice put spread on that for next week. FedEx, this was in the weekend letter. We sold a put spread, triggered this morning. On Dunking, we actually did a call spread just for Friday. I made the comment that any shorts, we would need the help of the broader markets to get these weaker, because there's so many bullish weekly patterns out here that I definitely, for the most part, did not expect a new low, even though it's in a downtrend. We were just hoping to get a 1 to 3 day swing short. But with the broader market being so strong, we're not getting much follow through here. Costco, bullish consolidation at resistance, and it was breaking out. We sold an out of the money put spread for Friday, the 547s. Trades, let's see, Uber is still on our watch list for tomorrow. Over the highs, we can do a put spread. SMH is triggered in price, meaning it took out last week's high, but we did not get filled on the put spread. We were trying to do the 265, 250. I'll keep an eye on it, and I'll send out an adjustment possibly. We can maybe go $2.50 higher and to $10 wide to get more premium. Now in the swing and options trader, let's take a look here. We're pretty active. Dropbox triggered long from the advisory letter, bullish price action here after 100% retracement, and we got a price void. Hexo, little marijuana stock, we bought on a pullback right around here, like 67 cents. DWAC, we did a bear put. This is a bear flag, which is a 30-degree counter trend trading, little wedge there, flag. And so we bought a bear put debit spread under Friday's low. IYT transports, bullish consolidation at resistance. We sold away out of the money 260 put and willing to take assignment. Same with DXCM. Here's another little bull flag right here. Beautiful move here, little flag, price void. We sold the way out of the money 390 puts on that. Dunking, we also did a bear put debit spread. Intuit, we bought a half lot of stock into the close. It's kind of a bull flag here again, but from a bottoming pattern as opposed to being in an uptrend. 2 bottoming tails, and it was extended on the intraday, so we only did half lot. Avgo was, now see, this one's in an uptrend. This was a nice continuation bar, taking out the lows, and it triggered into the close, but it's also, I mean, you got to, you know, look at these crazy intraday moves here. That's a very, very big bullish move. And so I sent a telegram saying, just do half lot, and we'll look to add. We'll add on a pullback. Pins has been posted for a while. It never triggered. And I just sent a revision that we can enter that over today's high. Nice little retest here on the weekly with a big price void. YUMC weekend ladder didn't trigger, but if it now trades under Friday's low, then it's good to go, because then it'll be today's big green bar. Nord, Sienna, it didn't trigger, but that's fine over Friday's high. And VVE was also on the weekend ladder, 0123, and that's still good to go. Daku was going to be a short under 98 bucks, didn't trigger, and it looks like it's not going to. I'll cancel it tomorrow. So that's all the pending and new trades. Let me go over a couple here on our radar also. CWST, a nice little buy setup and reversal, strong uptrend. I like that tomorrow over today's high. Here's 2 little marijuana stocks that were, for whatever reason, right into a close, started ripping. Marin and NEANY. I'll watch both of those on pullbacks. Dash over today's high tomorrow. Could be an out of the money put spread for Friday. Tupperware over today's high. Breakout daily, weekly. NVST. It's a buy setup. That looks great. Tomorrow over today's high. Big move, breakout, buy setup, minor support and reversal. Looks good. And Fizzler had a nice, this is a solar stock. Nice little breakout. Getting a little extended now. I'll watch it. Twilio, that was on my short watch list, but similar to the other ones, that if we did short it, we were just looking for a little 1 to 3 day pullback here, but that's a big fat engulfing bar on the weekly. So again, not expecting a new low. The Northern NCLH cruise line, bullish price action at resistance with a price void. So that looks like it might go up $1 or so, but $1 or so is almost 5% return. Keep that on the list. These were 2 short ideas from earlier. They still look fine. AI, if it takes out today's low. NVAX, some people in the green room had a nice day trade short on that. Zulu, it's a mess. So that's it. Those are plenty of ideas, and you obviously have our market bias. Any questions, email Greg or me, and we'll see you throughout the week as always in Telegram.